Welcome, ATF IOI agents. In this video, we will review how you will easily and efficiently perform an audit in Bravo. After the auditor's setup has been complete, the workstation will lock to ATF audit mode, and you will move into Bravo's audit session seen here. If you need to leave the workstation for any reason or perform a multi-day audit, you can lock the workstation by selecting Lock Session here at the top right. To resume, highlight your name and then choose Resume Session. The username selected will appear, just enter your password. At the top of the audit session, you will see the date range selected and the number of records available to audit. To begin the audit, select a row with the audit session grid. The 4473 form and any supplemental documentation will now be available for review. To view all of the documents, select View Attachments on the right menu. Select Done when finished. Alternatively, you can view any of the documents one at a time by double-clicking on them within the grid like this. When reviewing the 4473 form to the A&D book, simply select View ATF A&D Book. Selecting Alt and then Tab on your keyboard will toggle between the two records. Select Done when complete. If any violations were found, select the Violation Radio button. This will automatically pop in a new window to make notes. Now that we have made a note, the Notes menu option on the right is highlighted. To view the note, select Notes. When you are ready to review the next transaction, select a new row and then continue the same process. If a transaction needs more research or to be flagged, select the Flagged Radio button. If the transaction passed audit, select Reviewed and move to the next transaction. Notice with each transaction completed, the numeric counts on the top left will display, making it seamless to go back and review all of the flagged violations and not reviewed transactions. Bravo has also built in ad hoc reporting. This enables IOI agents to search for specific criteria within the audit. The audit can be completed at any time by selecting Complete Audit. However, please note, once you have confirmed that you want to complete the audit session, it cannot be undone. The last step is to end the session. This will unlock the workstation for store usage. Audit sessions are 100% confidential. The store employees, managers, and even owners do not have access to these sessions. For that reason, the Bravo customer support team will reset any forgotten passwords. In addition to this video, we have created a downloadable step-by-step ATF auditor guide found on the home page of the ATF portal. However, if you require additional assistance, the Bravo team is always here to help. Please give us a call at 888-407-6287. That number is in the comments below. Thank you and have a great day.